guys, it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am back with my April design team kit for Cheeky Studio. So I just wanted to really quickly show you what I received and what I'll be working with in the month of April. And so first thing I got was this acrylic piece, and I think I've had one of these before as well. Oh, sorry about that noise there, guys. All right, so this acrylic piece, and it just says Get Cheeky. Perfect. And it's real thin acrylic, so it's not going to be super bulky in my album, and I could even put this in a traveler's notebook because it is thin enough. So I have that, Get Cheeky. I have some vibes, and these are in the color is called Princess, and it's like a really deep dark purple color. So I am super excited to play with this one. This isn't a color that I already have, so I'm really excited to kind of play around with this one this month, and that is Princess. And then I have two packages of bows. One of them is just a package of 5, and these are a little bit bigger plain white ones. And I might see how these do with dyeing these. So maybe use some of these vibes that I've been getting and see if I can create some kind of cool looks with those. And then I also have this pack that is called Purple Rain. And so it has the darker purple with polka dots, a lighter kind of lavender color, and then white. So those are super cute too. And I have quite a collection of these bows, so I need to get on thinking up a project here that I can do using all these different bows. All right, I also have 2 different mixes of sequins. One of them is in blues, and then one of them is in purples. And this one is called Easter 2018, and this one is called Purple Rain. And so both of those are going to be really fun to play with as well. I love how coordinated everything is here. Definitely a purple and blue color combination this month. All right, then I also have this ephemera pack, and I believe this is the Easter ephemera pack. Let's pull these out. Yep, Easter 2018. And so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of flip through and let you take a look at a bunch of these. So we have all kinds of vines. Look at this bunny. Oh, I love how this is just like a touch of vintage. And this really pretty blue. And we have all kinds of leaves and vines. There's some banners in here. Look how adorable these are. These would totally work for baby boy spreads too, not just for Easter. Oh, look at the hot air balloon. Some more vines, some bigger ones, all different sizes. Look how many pieces you get though, guys. These are great. There's some feathers in here. Ooh, I really like these. These are really pretty. Sorry for my dirty fingers here, guys. I've been working on another project. Another one of those baskets. Some banners. Those are really cute. These would look great with some stamping. And some leaves in there. So lots and lots of pieces to play with. These are just, they're gorgeous. I wish you guys could like reach through the screen and see how beautiful of a color this blue is. Very pretty. And so that's going to do it. This is going to be the things that I have to work with in the month of April. I also have a lot of stuff left from February and March. So I'm going to be trying to throw that in and maybe do some extra projects this month as well. So I hope you like what you see. Definitely click down below to check out Cheeky Studio. And I am going to leave my discount code down there if you want to use that to get a little bit of a discount on your purchase. And I'll see you again soon. Bye!